Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how to make pesto pasta. This pasta is made with pesto sauce, and this sauce we are making from fresh basil leaves. In this video I am showing two varieties of pasta. One is a classic version and one is a kids friendly creamy pesto pasta. So let's get started. So here I am using 2 cups of basil leaves that I washed and kept it. This I am transferring into a mixie jar. Into this I am adding 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts and a handful of cashews. This is around 9 to 12 cashews. Actually in this recipe we have to use pine nuts, but pine nuts are not available here. So instead of pine nuts I am using chopped walnuts and cashews. I am just going to coarsely grind this. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Adding olive oil. Here I used 1/2 cup of olive oil that I am adding little by little at a time and grind to a fine paste. The amount of olive oil depends upon you. If you want this sauce as a dip, you can increase the amount of olive oil. But I am using here for pasta, so this consistency is fine for me. Adding 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Actually we have to add this along with the nuts, but I forgot to add, so now I am adding it. You can add along with the walnuts and cashew nuts. So now I am cooking pasta. For that I am boiling some water. Into this I am adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil and some salt. So the water started to boil. I am adding 1 cup of pasta. Here I am using penne pasta. Just giving a mix. The cooking time will be different for different types of pastas. So there is no exact time. I cooked around 10 minutes. You see the package information and cook accordingly. I am just checking it whether it is cooked. So it is perfectly cooked. Now I am reserving some water from this because later I wanted to add in the pasta. Now drain all the water and keep it aside. Into a pan I am adding 2 tablespoons of butter. One tablespoon of wheat flour. Instead of wheat flour, if you want, you can add maida. But I feel the same taste for the wheat flour also, so I am using this. Reduce the flame to medium and saute it for 1 minute. Adding 1 cup of milk, that is 250 ml. Stir continuously to prevent lumps. After some time, this liquid will turn to a thick consistency. Adding some salt, half teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs and 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. Give it a good mix. Adding a pinch of black pepper powder. Mix everything together. Then turn off the flame and keep it aside. Into another pan, I am adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Adding 2 cloves of garlic chopped and saute for 30 seconds. Adding a handful of chopped mushrooms, that is around 1/4 cup. Adding little salt. Remember, we have added salt in white sauce, and when we boil the pasta we have added salt. So add accordingly. Now cook the mushroom for 3 minutes in medium flame. Adding 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. This is the only spicy content we are adding into this dish. So if you want little more spiciness, you can add. Adding the boiled pasta and give it a good mix. Adding 1.5 tablespoon of pesto sauce that we have made earlier. Now I am adding the white sauce fully and gently mix all together. Adding 2 tablespoons of pasta water that we have kept it earlier. If you want your pasta little more liquidy, you add 1 more tablespoon. So my pesto pasta in white sauce is ready. I am transferring this into a serving plate. I am showing one more method of pesto pasta. Into another pan, I am adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Adding 2 cloves of garlic chopped and saute for 30 seconds. Into this I am adding 1 cup of boiled pasta and give it a good mix. Adding 1.5 tablespoon of pesto sauce. Adding 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, half teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs and 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Fresh cream is completely optional. Instead of fresh cream, you can use the pasta water that we have kept it earlier. Mix everything together. At this time you can check the salt. So that's it. The classic version of pesto pasta is ready to serve. I am transferring this into a serving plate. You also try this at home and see how it is. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.